Solar panels are the best source of renewable energy discovered by mankind so far.
Do you know you can get 40%
More energy with sun tracker enabled solar panels. Introducing IoTtech Smart Products Sun Tracker for solar panels. Researched, developed and manufactured first time by an Indian company. This sun tracker works on artificial intelligence and data analysis of a given location. Why look for foreign technologies when you can use आपका अपना संपूर्ण भारतीय technology? Join hands with IoTtech Smart Products to make India a world leader in sustainable power. Maximize the energy output of your solar panels with our cutting edge technology. Call us now to know more.